you do. Hi, Grace. Yeah, 'cause she's got a tail. Hey, come here, Scout. Come here, Scout. Yeah, hi, baby boy. Right, don't worry. Ups, come here, Scout. Come here. Yeah, it's gonna hurt you. Come on, I don't want to hurt you.